In this video, I'll show you how to set up a business PayPal account. So in order to do this, you need to head over to an internet browser, and we're just going to come over to the website paypal.com/business and hit enter. This will take you to the PayPal business page, and you just need to click on the sign up button like so. Then from this window, you'll need to enter all of your personal information such as name, last name, phone number, and email address. Then finally, create a password for your account and agree to the terms and conditions, and select agree and create account. Now, in order to verify your account, you'll receive a one-time verification code to the phone number that you provided, and you'll need to select text your code or call to confirm. Then just enter the code that you've been sent and press submit. And once you've done that, it's going to redirect you to the PayPal website. So we're just going to click on this Let's Go button, scroll down and select business, and then select the drop down and select the type of business that you own, and then select provide info at the bottom. Now on this page, you'll need to enter all of the information about your business. This includes your business name, company registration number, as well as some additional information about when your business was incorporated. So you'll basically just need to fill in all of this information here, and once you finish, you can press provide info at the bottom. And once you've submitted that information, it will then take up to 3 business days for PayPal to review your application, and providing all of your documentation and information was in order, then PayPal will contact you in a couple of days regarding your application and approving your account. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a business account in PayPal. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.